It smells like a frat house in here.
What?
Did you poop?
No. I haven't pooped at all today.
Smells like poop.
No, it doesn't.
Smells like
It's only from you.
No, I didn't poop. I don't poop. I'm a girl.
Thing in your eyeball.
Can you get it?
Cool.
Oh, what?
Went in my mouth. Good morning, everybody. It is 9:30 a.m. on Sunday, and today we're gonna go quahogging. I made a whole vlog about this a couple weeks ago, but basically you go to the beach and you rub your rake across the bottom of the ocean, and then you find these little clams. Erin was weirdly good at it last time. I'm gonna finish getting ready to go. James just pulled out this old pair of shoes. Holy shit!
There's an actual...
Those are eggs!
They're spider eggs.
Oh!
I almost put this on my foot.
What eggs are those?
I think spiders.
No! Oh, God.
Oh yeah, nice. Happy Halloween.
Cute. They're so cute. Today is Leah and James' anniversary. Is it today?
No.
No, it's Tuesday.
But we're gonna celebrate it today.
And
Must
it
be
was
nice
so
to have a wedding.
It must be.
Don't know what it's like.
Will we ever?
I'm not sure. It's the first football Sunday of the season. Paris's first football Sunday ever. Patriots are looking good.
You know who else is looking good?
Paris?
No. Yeah, she does look good. She's so cute.
Did you just order her a jersey?
Yeah, it's so cute.
Paris, are you excited for your jersey next week?
You're gonna wear a jersey, honey? Come here. Mwah! I kiss you. I just feel like Leah knows everything that's happening.
Yeah, she always knows. Today is Leah and James' anniversary. We're going to get them a cake.
Also their favorite hop water.
But we lied to them because we didn't want them to know, and we told them that we were going to CVS, but my sister definitely knows.
She knows everything. She's no fun. Hi, I was wondering if you had the Lagunitas hop water. Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye.
Remember this beer brand from when we were in Germany? Franziskaner?
Oh yeah, love that.
This is what the German bobsled team loved to drink during the 2002 Olympics. I don't know if anybody knows this, but I grew up in Park City, Utah, right next to the bobsled and luge track, and the German bobsled and luge team stayed with me and my family during the 2002 Olympics. Needless to say, they were drinking quite a bit of this Franziskaner. And the first time I ever drank beer was with the German bobsled team, and it was a Franziskaner.
This is really cool and special.
Alright, so what we're having here is the Shipyard Pumpkinhead Ale with the Shipyard Pumpkinhead Rimmer, which I think is just like
It's cinnamon sugar.
cinnamon
So
sugar.
cinnamon and sugar.
Ingredients, sugars and spices.
Oh, I wonder if it's gonna be spicy.
I hope not.
It looks a lot more cinnamony than it does sugary.
These look fantastic. Should we try them?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Happy fall.
Yum!
It's very good. Oh, there's nutmeg in it too.
Wow.
Very fall-y.
I have to film you reading our card.
But wait, I have dyslexia. Can you not?
Dear Leah and James, happy anniversary. Can't believe it's been 3 years since you got married. Must be nice to have a wedding with an anniversary to celebrate. Love, TJ.
It is. Yours will come someday,
sad.
guys. Yours
It's
will
coming.
come someday.
It's gonna happen. Love you guys.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
the thought.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Erin is taking a nap right now, but me and Paris are gonna do the outro anyway, because I don't want to wait any longer to get this vlog up. Okay, who's the shout out of the video? Shout out of the video goes to Andrew. Andrew, thank you so much for watching the videos. Andrew, you go girl. If you guys want a chance to be the shout out of the video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below, and you just might be picked to be the dingo of the next video. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Bye!